This tree gave the world aspirin, and it weeps by the water. Meet the weeping willow, Salix babylonica. Born in northern China and planted across the world, its sweeping curtain of branches has become one of the most recognized silhouettes on Earth. It grows fast, up to 4 feet a year, and a single mature tree can pump over 5,000 liters of water from the ground in a single summer day. Its bark contains salicin, the natural compound that inspired Bayer's synthesis of aspirin in 1897. Despite its scientific name, Salix babylonica, this tree has nothing to do with Babylon. Linnaeus named it after a psalm about weeping, but the trees in that passage were likely poplars. Napoleon had one planted by his grave on the island of St. Helena, and cuttings from that tree were sent around the world, meaning many willows alive today descend from that single tree. Plant your weeping willow in late winter or early spring near a natural water source, a pond, stream, or low-lying wet area. Give it at least 15 meters of clearance from buildings, pipes, and other trees. Its roots are powerful and will seek water aggressively, so placement is everything. Do plant near ponds and rivers for natural erosion control. Do prune regularly. Brittle branches break easily in storms. Don't plant near sewer lines or septic systems. The roots will find them. And don't plant in a small garden. This tree needs room to breathe. For thousands of years, the weeping willow has eased our pain, held our riverbanks together, and reminded us that grace and strength can live in the same roots. Know a tree, plant a future, restore, protect, inspire.